Hello, Mr. Markandeya Katsu. You come to the Twitter. Thank you, my lord. You still remain to be a lord in my heart. Because you tell something about the judges that is very useful to me, my lord. I can openly go and say that District Munisip S. Muthukumaravel is a blind buffalo for issuing concocted, corrupted, mollified, illegal interim injunction number 81 of 2014. And I am able to say one Muslim judge, woman judge by name Barsat Begum is also an illiterate Muslim judge, and she should be sent to Pakistan for hanging because India will not heed to justice. Especially political parties listen to only injustice and sob in their face for the next election. What is this, my lord, now? Please tell me, my lord. Markandeya Katsu. When order is based on injustice, yes, sir, the order given in my, in a case OS 30 of 2014 is mollified, illegal, concocted, injustice, corrupted. That is OS 30 of 2014. Okay, sir, what is this? When order is based on injustice, disorder is the beginning of justice. Very good. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. There is no construction without destruction. My lord, all construction is only for destruction, my lord. I have put it in my Pachari Yoga International Trust. You construct something only to destruct. Anyway, it's all right, my lord. I'll tell my High Court judges, learned judges, that the case foisted on me by my tenant and illiterate, corrupt advocate, Mr. S. Murugadas, with enrollment number 2094 of 2003. My lord, Mr. Markandeya Katsu, I want this fellow to be dismissed from the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, sir. Will you help me, sir? I will surrender unto your feet. I don't have a shame.
Hello, friend. Hello, my dear citizen of India. This is Pachari from Pachari Yoga International Trust that cares for you as a self, that cares for your family, that cares for your friend and the Indian nation. Pachari Yoga International Trust is yoga and knowledge that cares more for the judges, registry, advocates, bar council and the clients as well.
The bar council is not fake, but it is influence peddled by bribery and narcissism. This is bad governance in Tamil Nadu, sir. Hello. Hello, my dear friends. This Bar Council Amal Raj is fake. In Tamil they say, Sota Puchnikai. He is unfit for Tamil Nadu. Kedai Virindu. This Kedai is Butchu Kedai. It is very sad that the High Court judges sit in the assembly of these bribers on the facilitation day of the Bar Council. The Bar Council is concocted, mollified, illegal, corroded in judicial value, bribed in OIS 30 of 2014 on file with the additional district monosif. Oh my dear citizen, hello my dear Chief Minister Mr. Edappadi avargal. This Tamil Nadu Bar Council is invaded with the bribery, corruption. Junior advocates are pulled down. Junior advocates are asked to Mavatradu Atta Pisna by the Bar Council senior advocates. Day Kuttayila Urana Matte Sotukulla Poshani Marakira Kutta படிக்க வேண்டும் புதிய பாடம் வழக்கறிஞரோ ஐயா லஞ்ச பாடம் தேவையில்லை வழக்கு அறிஞரோ ஐயா லஞ்ச பாடம் தேவையில்லை அமல்ராஜு ஐயா.
Hello, my dear citizen. This is Pachari Yoga International Trust. That is right. This is to certify that this trust is registered under Societies Registration Act in India. This trust is non-profit and goes online with yoga as a mandate for duty, diligence and dedication in public life. The sole mandate holder of this trust is the approved senior fellow valuer in the Institution of Valuers at New Delhi. Pachari is a senior consulting engineer in the Institution of Engineers at Kolkata. Pachari is the qualified senior technologist from PSC institutions at Coimbatore. Pachari is also the senior cost analyst from the University of Bombay. This senior citizen, Pachari, is also the retired central pensioner in India who can take challenges as an expert in yoga and as an exponent in Bhagavad Gita. The trust endorses that yoga alone can redefine service, health, hospitalization, trade, production, employment, war and peace. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder for Pachari Yoga International Trust. Thus dated 28th day of January 2017. 2020.
Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Please be considerate to the society. Please be considerate to the free community that is not defined by either by the Bar Council or the judicial fraternity in Tamil Nadu. While the Bar Council itself is corrupt right from the inception, including the Law Commission at Delhi. What are you going to do with the collegium of 300 lakh pending cases in India, Mr. Amal Raj? Please answer my question.
Will be always maintained with the advocates of good caliber, dignity, and the professional ethics.
Although advocates caliber, dignity, you are talking. See, you public know that how much election, fraud has taken place in Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Amal Raj. Please provide interim relief in case number OS 30 of 2014. I am the self-petitioner. That is, I am advocate for myself because I have been cheated by 3 advocates. 3 advocates or 4 advocates have cheated me, Mr. Amal Raj. If you bother to come to Tirumangalam or to Madras High Court, I can prove you are I can prove you are naked bribing without removing your dress.
Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is PITE. This is to certify that this trust cares for the welfare of the learned judges. This trust endeavors to serve learned judges in propagation of Bhagavad Gita and yoga. Oh.